Let's begin with Principle 1 of green chemistry. It is better to prevent waste than to treat or clean up waste after it is formed. This principle emphasizes a simple but powerful idea: instead of managing waste later, we should design processes that avoid creating waste in the first place. A chemist should carry out a synthesis by choosing a pathway so that formation of waste is nominal or nil. A common type of waste and easily avoidable in majority of the syntheses is the starting material or reagent that remains unreacted. The famous saying "prevention is better than cure" should be followed. To achieve this principle, we should follow the following steps. First, we clearly define the desired product. This means identifying the exact compound we want to synthesize. A well-defined goal ensures that the entire process stays focused and efficient. Next, we plan the synthesis pathway. Here, we choose the most efficient pathway that has fewer reaction steps. Ensures high selectivity. A well-planned pathway reduces unnecessary reactions and waste. In the third step, we select efficient reactants. We must use only the required amount of reagents. Avoid excess chemicals and unnecessary additives. This minimizes unused materials that could become waste. Now, we optimize the reaction conditions. This includes controlling temperature, pressure, time, catalysts. The goal is to ensure maximum utilization of materials and efficient conversion. In Step 5, we aim to minimize unreacted substances. For this, we must drive the reaction to completion. Reduce leftover starting materials. This prevents accumulation of unused chemicals. Next, we avoid the formation of byproducts. This is achieved by choosing highly selective reactions, reducing side reactions. Fewer byproducts mean less waste and cleaner processes. As a result of all these steps, we achieve minimal or even zero waste. This leads to an efficient and sustainable chemical process. Now let's look at common sources of waste that we must avoid. These are excess reagents, unreacted starting materials, unnecessary additives, and solvents. Thus, recognizing these sources helps us eliminate waste at its origin. The key idea is, design the synthesis at the beginning in such a way so as to prevent generation of waste, rather than treating it later. This approach saves resources, time, and cost. Thus, the principle "prevention is better than cure" should always be followed in every synthesis. Following this Principle 1 of green chemistry leads to several important benefits, like lower environmental impact, cost-effective processes, safer for human health, contributes to a sustainable and healthier planet. To conclude, by preventing waste at the source, we can create efficient, safe, and sustainable chemical processes.